Hi, I'm Sam Horn, and this is this week's version of our Better newsletter. Our quote comes from William James, who said, "The deepest need in human behavior is the craving to be appreciated." I was sharing that with a group in a Talking on Eggshells workshop, and a woman said, "I work for a government agency. I can't remember the last time anyone gave me a compliment." And I said, instead of waiting for people to give you the recognition and appreciation you deserve, go first and give them the recognition and appreciation they deserve. We can all be an encourager anytime, anywhere, with anyone. There was a gentleman in the audience who didn't quite agree with that. He put his hand up and I said, it's just not my style. He said, why should I have to praise people for doing their job? That's what they're getting paid for. And I said, I understand. And yet, part of being a leader is giving people what they want, need, and deserve, even if it's not our style. And so he reported back in our next section, he'd gone up to his secretary of 12 years and he said, Ruth, you're the best doggone secretary in the whole world. And she looked at him and she said, what's wrong, Ralph? Are you sick? So if it's been a while since we've given praise or credit where credit is due, check out my 6 tips for giving authentic appreciation. Go to samhorn.com and just look under newsletter. And I've made an infographic that you can use to give people the compliment, the praise, the appreciation, the recognition, and to make it authentic so they know it's sincere. You can do that by being specific instead of making sweeping generalizations that cause people to think, really? What's your agenda? You can give authentic appreciation, and it is a rising tide for everyone who receives it and gives it.